as a priceless treasure. Therefore, to stay healthy, people are willing to do anything. All the methods that are used, both those with medical and non-medical value, from logical ones to those with supernatural nuances, are various efforts made by many people from various walks of life to always be healthy or to regain their health. Here are 9 tips for maintaining a healthy body or a healthy way of life that we can make as a reference, so that the body stays fit and healthy and is always happy in life. 1. Positive thinking. In a healthy body there is a strong soul. The meaning of this sentence: if a person's soul is healthy, positive thinking, then the body will also be healthy.
Mental disorders such as stress and depression have been shown to interfere with a person's health. 2. Control stress. Manage emotions well. Don't get angry easily. This is very important, because it will deplete the body's energy and also not good for the liver later. Be a person who smiles easily and is friendly, because this is good for yourself and others. A person's feelings such as sadness, anger, anxiety, disappointment, etc. will be responded to by other organs of the body. 3. Recognize body language. Fatigue after doing activities or exercising is our body language to convey the message that the body needs to rest. Respond to the message by resting the body. We have to be aware even for small things, for example eyes that feel sore and watery when working at a computer. That means our eyes are tired and need rest. Don't force it if you don't want to experience eye problems. 4. Maintain diet. We have to be able to maintain a diet. Don't let us leave breakfast and always set meal times. People who can't maintain their diet will easily get stomach ulcers. The first symptom of heartburn that will be felt by people who do not have a regular diet is that their stomach feels twisted and they often have stomach aches. Don't overeat or undereat. Overeating can make us overweight or obese, which can trigger various diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. 5. Sufficient liquid needs. Most of us are not aware that in fact we often don't drink enough water every day. This is certainly not a good thing, because as we know water is very important for our body. This is because we lose water every day through urine, defecation, sweat and breathing, so we need to replenish our body's water intake. A study shows the amount of water we need depends on various factors, such as climate and weather conditions, physical activity we do, and also body weight. But generally we need 2.7 to 3.7 liters of air intake. 6. Adequate vitamin needs. Our body needs vitamin intake as a way to protect and maintain a healthy body to stay healthy and fit. Vitamin intake that can be used to maintain a healthy body is vitamin D and vitamin C. Vitamin D plays a role in stimulating immune cells to repel viruses and bacteria, strengthen bones, help prevent various diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and reduce the risk of memory loss. Sources of vitamin D can come from morning sunlight, eggs, fish, milk and cheese. 7. Maintain personal and environmental hygiene as well as food and beverage hygiene. Maintaining personal and environmental hygiene is something that absolutely must be done if you want to stay healthy and fit. There are so many bacteria, germs and viruses around us that have the potential to become a source of disease. 8. Exercise regularly. At least every morning try to exercise regularly. We can exercise like jogging, cycling and others, or at least take a long walk. Based on the explanation of experts that walking can burn about 180 calories per minute. 9. Avoid bad habits. It is clear that things that can damage the body, namely smoking, consuming alcoholic beverages, and including consumption of fast food. Therefore, immediately stay away from these bad habits. Healthy living is easy, the key is discipline. Those were 9 tips for maintaining health. I hope this content adds to our knowledge about the importance of maintaining health for our bodies. Don't forget to subscribe so that I can be more enthusiastic about sharing knowledge with you. Finally, I hope you are always happy and healthy. Thank you. Greetings, healthy.